In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister purge valve on your Mini Cooper. It's located on the passenger side under the hood. To remove this, we have to get this ground wire out of the way, or you're not going to be able to slide it off the bracket. So we're going to use a 13mm socket, and we're going to remove this nut. Once you remove the nut, take the bolt out and move this over. Next, we're going to disconnect this top hose. To do that, you're going to push in here and here, and that'll release it. And just unhook it from here to get it out of your way and set it off to the side. Next, we're going to do this bottom one the same way. Pull down and put that aside. And now we're going to remove this connector. To do that, you're going to pull forward on this tab and push down at the same time. Now I'm going to hammer this off. I'm using a trim tool on the other side so that I don't break it. And just going to give it a tap. Once you get it moving, you should be able to wiggle it off the rest of the way. This tab on the bracket needs to be pushed in order to remove it. Once you put it back on, we're going to push this back out so it locks it in. Let's install. I did put some NECs on my bracket. I also cleaned it off before install just to make it easier. So I'm going to slide this on. Makes it much easier. And like I said, I'm going to bend the bracket back. So once you slide that back on, just go ahead and bend that middle part back so it locks it in. It doesn't go anywhere. And now I'm going to slide on my connections. This one goes on top. Make sure you hear that click. After you push that on, you're going to push this back in the bracket. And now we're going to make our connection here. I'm going to slide it up, push it on, make sure it's clicked into place. And now we're going to put our last connection on. Make sure it's lined up and slide it into place. That should also click. Make sure you put this back in the bracket if you took it out. And now we're going to put our ground wire back. Line it up. Make sure that square piece is being held in by that ear on the engine mount. And push that bolt through. Hold it. Let's tighten that down. Double check, make sure it's tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.